Hello guys, today we are going to make a Christmas gift. Here are the things to use. You need an hard paper. It also can be cover from a notebook and glitter paper, scissors, ruler, etc. Now fold your hard paper in half. Draw a half Christmas tree. Cut it. Make sure that you cut it in 2 layers. Now get a green paper and put your hard Christmas tree paper on top and cut 5 pieces. You should have 5 Christmas trees like this by now. Now get a red paper, fold it in half, then you should have a gift card paper. Now the most important part. Fold your Christmas tree in half. Glue the first Christmas tray. The back should be looking like this because we used a glitter paper. Get this paper off. You can use paper knife to cut it, but something sharp. Glue your Christmas tree and fold it in half like that. Do the thing I said back earlier. After doing it in many layers, it should look like this. Do the thing that I'm doing. Draw a star and the stump. Cut it. Glue it to the tree. And in the front page you guys can write Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, decorate the greeting card. Here, a cute gift card for Christmas. You guys can give it to your family, friends. That's it for today's video. Bye, love you guys. Subscribe and like.